Welcome back, friends. What I'm doing today is testing the cheapest tile saw on Amazon. Now, this is made by QEP. Keep in mind there's one other QEP tile saw that is less expensive than this, but does not meet the criteria, which is to bevel or miter cut. So, a saw that can bevel or miter cut, this is the cheapest tile saw on Amazon. QEP Torque Master XT, portable tile saw with extension tray. Here are the specs. Little over 3/4 of a horsepower for the motor, extension trays for large format. Here is the tile that it can cut: ceramic, porcelain, marble, stone, travertine, etc. We can do straight cuts, profile cuts, which are notch cuts, diagonal, as well as miter, 22.5 and 45. Unlimited rip, unlimited diagonal, and it can cut up to 3/4 inch deep. Torque Master by QEP. Very small little saw. You've got your rip guide fence, slide out tray for large format, extension tray for miter cuts, deep water tray, apparently you don't have to refill that often, and non-slip feet for stability. So what we're going to do is simple: open this little guy up, assemble it, and cut some tile. So let's talk about the tile we're going to cut, then we'll open this guy up. Here we go. We will cut marble scrap, miter cut 3x3 travertine. See how well it does with river rock. We will rip a porcelain plank and miter cut some 12x12 ceramic. Okay guys, let's assemble this. I won't bore you with assembly, so we'll speed this up. Well, there's your tile saw. Very small, compact little tile saw. There's your warning. Congratulations on purchasing your Torque Master XT portable tile saw with extension table. Please note, this tile cutter contains a unique high torque geared motor. When in use, it produces a distinctive loud sound. Basically, wear ear protection when you're using this little guy. I have a feeling it's going to be quite loud. Let's put it together. You have your blade, 4-inch included. There we go. Here's your rip guide fence. Little awkward. 2 wing nuts here to tighten it down. Little extension tray here for large format tile. Here's an additional extension tray as well. Well, here's the blade guard. Clear, which is a good thing. Another good thing is no hardware required. You simply press this little bracket into the sleeve here, like so. Now here's your miter guide for diagonal cuts. In order to install this, you have to install the fence first, and then install the miter guide like so, and tighten down. Okay guys, now it definitely does feel like a cheap tile saw. A lot of plastic, very lightweight. There's your blade guard, there's your blade, on and off button here. There's your cord, nice compartment for the cord to house that in, that's cool. But again, definitely feels cheap. Let's plug it in, fill it up with some water, and test out this cheap tile saw from Amazon. Here we go. Let's see how loud this saw is. It's definitely not as loud as I expected. Let's put it together and cut some tile. Here we go, guys. We'll start with some 3x3 travertine and cut it diagonal. Alright, it cut the travertine, no problems. Now let's try some River Rock mosaic sheeted tile. Well, it cut the River Rock without problems. A fairly decent clean cut as well. Now we'll try miter cut with this 12-inch by 12-inch ceramic. Lift the tray. As you can see, two options, 22.5 and a 45-degree miter cut. Here we go. Place it upside down for an outside miter corner. Here we go. Well, it can miter. There's your mitered cut right there for your outside corner. Not very clean, but again, it can miter. All you have to do is hit it with a rubbing stone, smooth this edge down with a rubbing stone or a diamond rubbing pad like this. There you go. Mitered ceramic. Now we'll try to rip a hard porcelain plank. Now I have low expectations on this cut, but you never know. Here we go. Well, there you go. Definitely not a clean cut. A manual tile cutter can give you a much cleaner cut than this. As you can see, of course you can hit it with some sort of rubbing stone or a diamond pad, but it does not cut porcelain planks all that well. Okay guys, lastly we'll try some marble. There's your marble cut. Not that bad. A fairly decent clean cut for marble. Well, there you guys go. QEP, the cheapest tile saw on Amazon. Overall, pretty good, not too shabby. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video. I think these videos are kind of fun. And, well, that's it. We'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.